Magandang umaga! Bye-bye! Oh, no hands! Mahal! Ihatid na po natin yung chocolate ni Maricel, yung kanyang Dubai chocolate na pinabili niya sa akin. And meron po silang pa Friday market today. It's Friday, everyone. Sila uncle doon, no? Doon sila nagtambay, guys. Tatlo sila ba na naka-scooter. Pili lang kayo dyan. Sino sa inyo dyan? Yeah, I did.
You should wear.
Here? Why?
I'm guessing that you don't have it.
Tambay-tambay na sila. Kaya it's a very nice weather today. It's 17 degrees. Kaya rin yung mga suot namin. Hindi na masyado ganun kakapal. Ay, nahuli sila, guys. Oh, bakit kaya yan? What would be the reason that you will be caught by the police when you are driving with a bicycle? Because it's just...
Depends. Maybe he was trying to get away from a robbery, or
Ay,
maybe
yeah.
he hit someone, or
Ah,
maybe he is doing something that is not allowed.
Yes. Pero bakit man yan? Hindi naman talaga tayo nalusyang sa vlog. Ang ganda.
Maybe he was driving on the road with the cars.
Oh,
Stuff
yeah.
that can happen. You don't know.
Dito muna tayo. Kaya may bilhin ako yung aking chili-chili. Nandito yun. Ito ko binibili yun sa Senox. Yun ang mister ko. Oh. Hindi ba palagay ba? Ang mga sale nila. Pati. Tsaka noodles. Ganda din yung mga binibenta dito para sa bahay, guys. Di ba? Not bad. Anong ilagay mo dyan? Ay, 20 euros man. Mahal. Very artistic. Gusto ko yan. Yung vase na yan. Beautiful. What? Hi, Pogi.
Bye, Baggy.
Buy a baggy. Yeah, we don't have a baggy. We need to buy a baggy. Uy, maganda din ang pa-bouquet. Not bad. My love, look at the bouquets, mahal. Not bad. Diba? Magkano din to? Not bad siya, guys. 5 euros lang. Sa isa. 5 euros, mahal. Pwede natin palit-palitan ba, no? Yung ating pa-flowers doon. Malapit na ang, King's Day. May pasabog ako sa King's Day, guys. Abangan yan. Kaya may mga pa-orange na silang binibenta para po yan sa King's Day. Yes, this is the sili. My favorite, yeah. I want to. Paborito ko to, guys. Hanapin nyo to. O, buy 3 daw. Hanapin nyo to, guys. Grabe kasarap nito. Ha? How many? Why? Is it on sale? Oh, yeah, 70. Oh, no. That's for a different one. Ito, hanapin nyo yan. Meron din silang mga pa-garden dyan. Yun na yun. Sili lang pinunta natin dito. Kayong 5 sili ko, ubos ko na. Ako lang nakaubos. Laban lang sa sili. Punta na tayo kay Maricel.
I have to play for a while, Mama.
Where?
In Tanta Marcel.
Alam niya na talaga makakuha siya ng candy doon eh.
Mama,
Huh?
can I go to the Spelakine and look for a while?
Yes, of course. How about you?
And I go to Santa Marisa and get candy and get playing for a while.
No, you can ask Tante Maricel.
And can I get a board game? Mama, please. Please, Mama.
Mahal this one ba? Look at the chicken, mahal. You want to see what they have? Mga chicken nila, guys. Tinapay. Yeah, spare rib. The satay here is nice, they said. Spare rib. Keep it pops. Ito yung bago dito, guys. Lumpia. Pero yan, may itlog yan. Tingin-tingin kayo dyan, guys, ha? Ay, may rice. They have rice, mahal. Meron din po silang rice. May pipino salad. Not bad. Oh, yeah. Binigyan kami ng brochure, guys. Ay, ito yung ano nila. Malaking mga tray.
Yeah.
Not bad. Ayan ang police, guys. Oh, dali, uy, may police, bebe. I don't know. They're looking for someone, maybe. Nakita niyo yung matanda, guys, na naka-scooter siya. Pag matanda na ako, gusto ko din magkaroon ng ganyan ba? Mag-scooter na lang, papunta ng ng city. Diba? Kaya na mahirapan, maglakad-lakad pa, magsungkod-sungkod. Kain na sila
Can I
lumpia.
have ice cream?
No, baby love, at home you can get ice cream. But here, I will eat lumpia. Do you also want the lumpia? From the old woman to the other side?
Can I have milkshake?
Allah!
Milkshake.
Pag sure, we have ice cream at home.
Mama.
You borrow the pan and then you bring
Ah.
the pan back. It's an electric one, so you just turn it on, it heats.
I like
Then
that.
when you're done, you bring it back and then like you pay a little up front and
Yeah.
then you get back the money that you paid up front for the
Yeah.
pan.
Not today, baby love, okay?
Why?
Because you already had donut today. Punta na tayo kay Madam Maricel, guys. Kay Madam Waray in Holland. Pero syempre, hindi natin siya i-vlog doon. Kaya nagtrabaho siya. Baka mapagalitan siya ng kanyang boss. How many marshmallow did you eat from Tante Maricel? Wow! How can that be? You got 2 marshmallows, ha? You are spoiled, ha? To Tante Maricel. Natin ang kanyang guys, kainin niya daw sa kanyang break time. Look at our city. Long time no see. But now see na. Diyan naman si Madam naka-scooter, guys. What? You want bread?
Yeah.
You just ate bread.
Mama.
I'm eating lumpia. Do you want lumpia?
Mama bread.
But we need to go to the Toko. Let's buy you Nido. A new milk for you. Because
Why?
your milk is done now. We don't have milk anymore for you.
Two?
Huh?
We had the old yesterday.
Hmm.
And now the one.
Yes. The new milk for you.
Where's the
You want the powdered milk?
milk? What's a powder milk?
Tinanong ko siya. You want powdered milk? Powdered milk? Powdered milk? Hindi mo alam? The one that you were eating sometimes.
Yeah.
Yung Nido. Andito na po tayo sa city. Gaya na gusto ko ba? Let's wait, okay? Let's look for Papa. He's already here. Ayan yung binibilhan ko ng isda dati, oh. Tingnan natin anong mga isda. Mahal? Meron siyang apple juice. Andito tayo sa lumpia, guys. Yo nga. Kilala na ako dito, guys. Para kay daw, kay Nathan. Walang sauce yung kanya. Mga adik sa lumpia na pamilya ito. Ayaw daw ni Daniel. No joke. Dami yan. Ang pag-upo niya, nakadikwatro pa. Oh, the strawberry, how much? Grabe kataba ng strawberry niya. Perfect. 5 euro daw. Bitin. Kaya ko kumain ng 10 lumpia niya ba? Sobrang kasarap. Tag 2 euros. Sipin nyo yan. Times 67. Punta na po tayo sa Toko. Kabili tayo ng anuman ang mabili doon. Medyo malayo yung pinagpaparkingan namin, guys, kasi puno na sa city. Lalo na pag ganito maganda ang weather.
The Lido?
No, we're not going to the new Lido. May bago pong Lido dito. Malapit kanila Maricel. Ngayon, dahil hindi tayo makapunta sa Toko, guys, inaayos nila ang daan. Hindi po tayo makadaan doon. Diretso na lang tayo sa butcher. Kaya magbili ako ng ribs para meron na naman tayong mga pang air fryer at pang sabaw. Bili ako noon ng mga 4 na kilo siguro, kay 10 euros lang ba ang 2 kilo niya. Mura lang. Tapos yung cartilage na sinabawan ko last time, yung bilhin ko ngayon. Tapos mamili na din kami ng pang pasta para sa dinner mamaya nila. Ay baka ako mag ribs. Ay! Kasi malapit na daw siya mag 5 years old. Tapos mag group 2 na siya sa school. Ay group 1 pa yan siya ngayon. And then when you are 5 years old, you will go
To group 2.
to group 2 and you will do the swimming lesson.
Yay!
Yes.
Because I don't know how to swim. Mama.
Yeah, so next time that you go to the Philippines, you can swim in the swimming pool of Mang. Right? Do you want lechon manok?
Let's go.
Yes. Do they have the pork today without the
Nothing
skin? Oh, they also have the sausage. This one. Hindi yan suriso, guys. Hindi yan matamis. Hello. Dito na lang tayo mag-grocery, guys. Hindi na tayo mag-Lidl. Kaya na dito na rin man tayo. The carnival is not here anymore, baby love. They're gone. It's done. Hindi man lang tayo nakapunta. Umalis na sila. We need for our dinner 2 for 3 euros, my love.
Yeah.
Tingnan nyo. Pinagamit ko sa kanya. Ang ano ko kay nilamig daw siya. Para ka ng ano niyan, Korean. Daw be? Show mama be? Oh, baby. Yeah, it's cold. Makapal ba yung jacket niya? Nilamig siya. Oh, baby. Like this.
Oh, baby. Mama, can I have this?
He wants that mahal with that taste. But we have a lot of juice in the house, baby love.
Please.
Okay. We
No,
need
chips
this,
met
guys.
paprika smaakt uit.
Parang mas marami man to kaysa ito. This one is not a lot, no?
Almost getting cold, Mama.
Almost!
What kind of olives do you want?
The black one. It's more
Black
yummy.
olives?
Yeah, black olives. All the sausages in the world. Bili tayo nito. Kaya ito ang pinakamura, guys. Ayan, no fuel. What do you want? You want something?
Yeah.
Where's your papa?
Hi guys, I'm doing a grocery.
So, what did we get? That's cheese for our pasta tonight.
Watermelon water, tomatoes,
Sausage.
sausage,
Very good.
lemon,
Lemon?
lemon.
Oh, I thought you said lemon.
Here,
That's for Papa and for you. For the making of the juice. Yes. Careful, ha? What is that?
I don't know.
That's olives for the pasta tonight?
Olives.
Yes.
I don't like olives.
Agoy. Naunahan tayo. What is that? Cappuccins
Cabbages.
and the anchovies. Thank you for doing the grocery haul. To go outside and play?
Yes.
I will clean that first, ha, because of all the spider webs. Come here. Ayusin mo yung mga upuan natin dyan. Na ano naman yan? Nabalikog naman na. Tanggalin ko lang po kay grabe ang mga ano dito, guys. Mga
Spider.
ano yan, spider, hindi normal. Araw-araw talaga.
It's always got spider web.
Yeah, we always get spider web.
Why?
I don't know. They like to play here, I think.
And not to play collars?
Does Lars have playground in their garden, baby love, just like yours? Do they have that?
That or only swing.
I only swing? Ah. Di ba, nagmarites ang nanay. Tinatanong ko yung kalaro niya baka hapon, meron din ganito, swing lang daw.
Our house is so big.
On Monday, oh yeah, their house is big, right? On Monday, you can ask Lars to play with you here, okay?
Our house is big, and my slide is big, and my school is long.
Okay, but to Lars, no. Nagpaingit ka pa dyan. Ito na po yung karne natin. Mag-inom daw siya ng watermelon niya. Give it to me, be. I'll give you watermelon water. Tingnan yung binilang mister ko, guys. Na addict sa tea. Makailang tea yan siya sa araw-araw.
So smart.
Yes, that's very heavy. And bilhin nyo, not sponsored. Grabe kasarap, promise. Ulit-ulit na ako. Bumili ako ng 3.
I don't like that.
Yeah, this is spicy. Yeah, I know. Masarap dyan yung mga mani niya nga. Pagkain mo, crispy masyado. Naglaway. Vlog dito, making juice. Hindi naka-record.
Watermelon water. Watermelon water.
You want to try? Dali na, be, show them.
Rice with bread.
You try. If you like it. Try it if you like it.
A little bit good.
Little bit good. Rate it 1 to 10. 10 is the very yummy and 1 is the not very yummy. 1 to 10.
10.
So it's very yummy?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the English word of bulaklak?
Flower.
Wow! What is the English word of bilis? Alam niyo.
Go fast.
What is the English word of baba?
Go downstairs.
Oh, akyat.
Upstairs.
Wow naman talaga. How about the mata? What is mata in English?
Eyes.
Yes. Look at all the money in the world. Iba-ibahin ko na to siya, guys. Kay air fryer ko to siya. Yung sa umaga ba, brunch ko. Tapos magluto ako ngayon kay ito ang akin. Kanila pasta. Tig-dalawa lang. Look at that. Oh, diba? Meron na tayong pang breakfast. Tapos kanin. Tapos kimchi. Ay, wow! Perfect naman talaga. Sumakses ka.
You have a surprise for me?
What surprise?
Daddy eating ice like that?
No, that was yesterday.
But now?
Today, no.
Why?
It's cold outside, a little bit cold. So next time when it's a nice weather again, we can do the barbecue again, okay?
I'm making my burrito.
Your paborito? Yeah, I'm making a pasta.
Easter pasta.
No, not the Easter pasta today.
I like Easter pasta.
Not the Easter pasta, the butterfly pasta today. Nata needs this now, guys. Take it. So, and then here. This is the last watermelon ice cream. Then we buy again.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, thank you. Thank you.
I love you. Magmaga na naman itong ilong natin ngayon sa anghang. Mani! Wow. Ang mister ko, guys, busy pa rin siya para sa kanyang table. That's for the table still, right?
Yeah, but this is no good. It's
Why?
spraying like psst, psst, psst.
Huh?
That's why I'm spraying so strange now, because I need to get it everywhere.
Grabe ang mister ko. No, they are very proud of you, Mahal. They saw the vlog.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're saying that you're very good at this, making stuffs like that. Ano ginagawa ng mister ko, guys? Ano doing, Mahal?
Waiting.
You look like, ano ba, you're having butterflies on your stomach.
Why?
You're smiling there.
I'm just watching dumb stuff on the phone.
Ang kilig ba?
But, you know, like I told you, this is supposed to spray like, but I'm moving it like this. It's like,
It's
so
not
now I
good.
have splotches that I need to wait until they are dry.
Which one is that? Which picture? Oh, baby Nathan! With young Papa! That's a young Papa. It's the same face now? Oh, it's the same. It was almost 5 years ago. And this is the Nathan now. With one eye. Ngek!
Have twice.
Yeah, 2 eyes. But now the other one is with a patch. Magluto na ako, guys, para sa aking pamilya. Meron tayong cooking show today. Kanya-kanya sila ng trip for today's vlog. Iba-ibang pasta po. Kay Nathan itong butterfly pasta. Yes, niyan. Tapos sa tatay niya din. Kayo ba, guys, pag nagpapasta ba kayo, pinuputol nyo ba yung pasta? Dito, hindi yan pwede. Kasi sa bahay, nung kabataan ko, pinuputol din namin. Sa maalala ko lang ha, pero ngayon hindi na. Takpan lang natin yan. Pizza is ready!
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Enjoy. Is it yummy? What is more yummy, this one or the pasta?
Just
So guys, guys.
tomorrow, bye.
Bye-bye. Yummy. It's with paprika also.